Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Wednesday, August 21st. Seeing an abundance of cloud cover out there this morning. Temperature is still rising into the mid 80s. We did see some numerous showers and thunderstorms yesterday afternoon and even yesterday evening as well. Mostly north and east of the Wallops area. We were impacted a bit here though in the afternoon. We are going to continue to see dry weather throughout the rest of the morning hours here, but we are going to once again be seeing those chances for some scattered showers and storms, mainly after 2 p.m. today. Taking a look at our surface analysis, not much change than we have been seeing for the past couple days here. We got a Bermuda high well east of the area and just some weak high pressure over the region, and that's helping to contribute to some very warm and humid temperatures or conditions, and going to see those heat index values approach 100 degrees today due to this cloud cover. It doesn't look like temperatures are going to get quite as high as we have seen the past couple of days, staying at or just below 90 degrees for this afternoon. But we're still going to be seeing some muggy conditions out there, which will help to contribute to some scattered thunderstorms later this afternoon. We are seeing this little area of showers and storms over North Carolina associated with a weak wave that's going to continue to propagate northeastward towards our area, and that is what's going to help to trigger some storms here after 2 p.m. this afternoon. Taking a look at our upper level winds this morning, basically seeing westerly winds across the entire column around 20 knots from 1,000 feet up to around 9,000 feet, then increasing to around 30 knots at the 16,000 foot level, and winds are actually weakening by the time we get to that 25,000 foot level, only running around 10 to 15 knots as of 8 a.m. this morning. Seeing a freezing level this morning just above 13,000 feet. Take a quick look at our satellite here. We see this abundance of mid to upper level cloudiness over the Delmarva this morning, helping to keep our temperatures a couple of degrees cooler than we have been seeing. Not seeing those heat index values get quite so high so early either due to this cloud cover, and that's going to continue to remain over the area for the next couple of hours. Might get a little bit more sunshine before this wave down here in North Carolina gets up to us. That's what's going to be the trigger for some showers and storms. Already seeing some showers fire off with this little weak vortice that's down here. As it continues to move northeast, it is going to be impacting the central and southern Delmarva after about 2 to 3 p.m. Taking a look at our forecast for today, expecting a high this afternoon at 89 degrees. Winds are going to increase from the southwest at 9 to 14 knots and gusty late this morning, then becoming more south to southwesterly as we get to the early afternoon, and southerly when we start to see those storms approaching the area around 11 to 16 knots and gusty. So could be seeing a chance of a wind advisory, especially when we get in any thunderstorm activity later today. Going to be seeing just about a 40% chance after 2 p.m., and then those chances will increase to about 60% after 4 p.m. With some brief heavy rain also possible at that time, and of course frequent lightning with any thunderstorms. Then it looks like we are going to be getting a little bit of a break in any rainfall between about 7 p.m. and 10 p.m., and then we are going to be having a trough access looks to cross the area late this evening, mainly between about 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. That's going to give us another round of some isolated thunderstorms across the central Delmarva overnight. We are expecting another muggy low tonight near 77 degrees, with those winds becoming more west-southwesterly at 6 to 11 knots by the pre-dawn hours of Thursday. Taking a brief look at our terminal forecast, it's going to be a little bit messy here. Just seeing these conditions we're seeing right now pretty much remain the same through the rest of the morning hours. Then afternoon we'll start to see some cumulus clouds near 3,500 feet and some clouds near 10,000 feet develop. Seeing those ceilings drop around 3,000 to 4,000 feet in any thunderstorm activity this afternoon and through the evening hours. Then as we go into later tonight, going to be seeing those clouds clear out after about 2 a.m., becoming just a few at 1,500, few at 4,000, and scattered at 25,000 by early to mid-morning tomorrow. Take a quick look at our short-term model here to see how those showers are looking to develop this afternoon. Like I said, we have this weak disturbance down here in North Carolina that's going to propagate northeastward, and that's going to provide the focus for those showers and storms. Looks to cross over the Chesapeake and start to impact the lower shore after about 2 p.m. and then it looks like storms will become likely here after 4 p.m. and then persist for the next couple of hours. And then we're going to get that brief break after about 7 p.m. this evening before we get a second round of storms impacting the region with a little bit of a trough axis between about 10 p.m. and about 1 a.m. Then we'll start to see those clouds clear out. Precipitation chances will be gone by the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow as well. Taking a little look for our future forecast here. This is running tomorrow. We are going to be seeing a front approach the area as we go into tomorrow. It does look to remain dry for much of the day tomorrow. We are going to be getting some prefrontal winds that are a little more westerly, so we are going to be seeing those temperatures bump up into the low 90s. Heat index values will also exceed 100 degrees once again as well. And then as we get later in the day, as that front begins to approach the area, we will be seeing those chances of showers and thunderstorms ramp up, mainly in the late afternoon or early evening hours. And then as we go into overnight Thursday and Friday, we'll see those shower and thunderstorm chances increase even further. It does look like the models are slowing up this front just a little bit, so there is a chance we'll see a more thunderstorm activity on Friday versus Thursday night as this front really drapes across the region with that humidity and warmth we've been seeing. That'll help to provide a good focus throughout much of the day on Friday to see some scattered to numerous thunderstorms across the region pretty much throughout the entire day Friday and into Friday night as well. Friday night, that front is going to slowly continue to move southward, draped across the Carolinas, giving us just a continued chance of some showers and storms, mainly early in the night, Friday night, and then possibly seeing some showers linger into the area Saturday morning. Then we'll see that high pressure start to really build in a little bit across the Great Lakes, helping to dry things out for Saturday and Sunday. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, going to be expecting that 60% chance of scattered thunderstorms late this afternoon with a high of 89. Tomorrow we're going to be getting some prefrontal winds that are a little more westerly. That'll help to bump those temperatures up into the low 90s, expecting heat index values above 100 degrees tomorrow as well. Then seeing those thunderstorm chances increase late as that front approaches the area. Thursday night into Friday, we're going to be seeing some chances of scattered showers and thunderstorms as that front begins to really impact the region. And then as that front drapes itself across the central to southern Delmarva on Friday, we are going to be seeing chances for some numerous thunderstorms with chances extending throughout the entire day on Friday. That'll help to lower the temperature as well into the mid-80s. Then Saturday, that front will continue to move south of the area. Still going to be seeing chances for some isolated thunderstorms, mainly just in the morning. And then we'll start to see things clear out as we go towards the afternoon. With us being behind that cold front, we are going to see those temperatures really get knocked down into the upper 70s for the weekend. Sunday is going to be partly to mostly cloudy with some onshore flow developing, seeing the temperature only up to 78 and much more seasonable lows as well into the mid-60s for Sunday morning and Monday morning. As we go into Monday and Tuesday, the high pressure is going to continue to expand across the northeast, and that could increase the pressure gradient a bit, giving us some onshore flow. It might be slightly breezy at times, especially along the immediate coast, so not necessarily going to be the best weather for the beach as we go Sunday through Tuesday, getting a little bit of moisture into that onshore flow as well. So can't rule out a chance of an isolated shower on Monday under mostly cloudy skies. And then Tuesday, we're going to get perhaps a weak low developing off of the Carolina coast, starting to move northwest along the coast, just off the coast, paralleling it. And that looks like it's going to enhance our chances for some showers as we go into the middle of next week. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.